For this lesson, we're going to practice some patterns. So you will see that I have multiple different types of patterns in here. Between the shapes, there's the circles versus the little rectangles, as well as with the color. To do this, we're going to set our papers up the same way, but then you can pick your own colors. You don't have to follow the same colors that I did. If you want to, you can. To get started, what you want to do is you want to use a dark crayon for your lines. When you're coloring with marker later, it's going to make it so much easier. The wax of the crayon kind of resists the marker. So the first thing you want to do is take a line from this corner, kind of upside down rainbow line, across your paper, a little bent line there, and then do another one up here in the corner. So just kind of follow along with your rainbow lines for what I had. Then in this step, you put a rainbow line in the middle, and then on the other side of that one. And then lastly, you put a line in between all of your spaces. It's okay if yours doesn't look exactly like mine. You just want to have some small spaces that you can still design in. So what you want to do is you want to put your circles in every other space. If you have one less or one more, as long as you go every other like a pattern. So we have our circles, we left it blank. Our circles, we left it blank. Circles, left it blank. Circles, left it blank. Circles, left it blank. As long as you're practicing your pattern, it's okay if you have a different amount of spaces than I did. Then over here, you fill in all those blank ones with your rectangle pattern. Now it's going to be time to color. So you're going to be able to color it. You can color whatever colors you want. If you want to copy mine, that's fine. But you'll see that I did every other dot a pattern. So I have yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. And then I picked a background color. After I did one section, I went ahead and I did all of the sections of that pattern. Then I went in and I did the other rectangle section. So if you want to do a 2-color pattern, you can. If you want to do a 4-color pattern, you can. I wouldn't do more than 4 just because there's not a lot of spaces. I did a 3-color pattern. I did green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, green, blue, purple. And you can see that more on those bigger spaces. After I finished that one, I did the rest of them. And then again, you have many different patterns going on here, going across as well as every other space. And then when you're done coloring, you are done. So again, you want to use crayons for your line work, and then you want to use markers for your coloring. It's going to make it go a lot faster. Like I said, the crayon will resist the marker, and you can kind of color a lot easier doing it that way. If you don't have those materials, again, you're welcome to do your own choice. You are your own artist, so if you want to switch it up, you can. However, it is a very strong suggestion to do it the way that I am showing you. I can't wait to see what you guys make. Thank you so much.